Feral cats can quickly take over a neighborhood. We've all seen it, whether it be in our neighborhood or one that we're visiting. They have loud mating rituals and fights and kill an enormous amount of wildlife and can generally be troublemakers. Traditionally, such nuisance cats are rounded up and euthanized. Unfortunately, euthanasia has not been shown to be an effective solution to feral cat overpopulation. In my 10 years volunteering with rescue and animal welfare groups, I'm happy to share with you one solution that does work: TNR. TNR programs are an effective alternative to euthanasia to reduce feral cat populations. Today I will be talking about what TNR programs are, why the traditional method of killing feral cats does not work, and why TNR programs do. What are TNR programs? TNR stands for Trap, Neuter, and Return. In a TNR program, feral cats are humanely trapped, spayed or neutered, and then returned back to their community after they have recovered. Socialized cats and kittens are adopted out to homes. During this process, cats often receive routine vaccinations, veterinary care for basic health issues, and are ear-tipped. Ear-tipping is where the tip of one ear is removed during the spay and neuter surgery to identify the cat from afar as having been sterilized. And I'll show a picture of that here. A TNR program depends on two fundamental support people: a veterinarian to perform the surgeries and a designated caregiver for the community cats. This caregiver is not involved with the community cats in the same way a pet owner is with their pet. Rather, they assess the need to trap any unneutered cats and keep an eye out for basic health concerns. Sometimes they might offer food during lean times, such as winter, but generally community cats can fend well for themselves and live happy, healthy lives when a TNR program is utilized. The standard method for controlling feral cat populations for the last 30 years has been to capture and euthanize them. This method has failed to decrease the number of feral cats in communities. The reason behind the inefficacy of catch and kill programs is a well-documented phenomenon called the vacuum effect. According to a study done by the USDA National Wildlife Research Center, the vacuum effect occurs when a portion of an animal population is removed and then rebounds, often very quickly. Every geographical area has a maximum number of individual animals it can support. This is called the carrying capacity. Populations are naturally limited by disease, resources, and by the population itself. By removing a portion of the population, you actually remove a limiting factor on that population, and the abundance of resources left allow for a population to rebound to its carrying capacity. Similarly, when feral cats are caught and euthanized, the population rebounds to its previous numbers, making this method an effort in futility. TNR programs have been scientifically proven to work to reduce feral cat populations and make those remaining community cats good neighbors. In an 11-year study of TNR done by the University of Florida, cat population was reduced by 66%. In a study of 103 feral cat colonies in Rome, Italy, all colonies saw a reduction between 16 and 32% over 10 years as a result of TNR programs. Reducing the number of feral cats means a reduction in predation of resident wildlife. TNR also stabilizes the population of feral cats, preventing the formation of a vacuum. This occurs because cats are left to claim the territory but can no longer breed to increase the population. Cats claiming the territory reduce the amount of newcomers to the area, allowing the population to remain at a sustainable number. Sterilized cats have improved relationships with residents of the community because they no longer are driven to loud mating rituals or fighting, and are in better health, so they're less likely to spread disease. TNR is an effective alternative to euthanasia for feral cat populations. Traditional methods of catch and kill have been proven ineffective simply by the continued problem of cat overpopulation after 30 years of implementation. TNR programs stabilize community cat populations that reduce numbers and leave quiet, peaceful cats that are easy to live with. I am grateful this time that the humane solution is also the effective one.